equation reducible to the variable separation. Now a little bit new thing for us. Now if the equation is in the form of dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c, then directly you can't separate the variables. Okay, so we are having some steps for it. Now working rule for solving dy by dx is equal to f ax plus by plus c. Now step 1, identify the function ax plus by plus c. Step 2, put ax plus by plus c is equal to t, or you can take any of the variable here, t, z, whatever you wish. Okay, put ax plus by plus c is equal to t, differentiate it with respect to x and solve it to find dy by dx. Step 3, put ax plus by plus c is equal to t and value of dy by dx in the given differential equation. Step 4, now after going with the third step, now easily you can separate the variables. Now separate the variables t and x along with dt and dx and integrate. Both sides. Step 5, replace t with ax plus by plus c this gives the required general solution. So these are the 5 steps. By this easily you can solve equations of this type. Now step number 1, identify the function ax plus by plus c, put ax plus by plus c is equal to t, z, whatever you wish, differentiate it with respect to x and solve it to find dy by dx. Step number 3, replace ax plus by plus c with t and also put the value for dy by dx in the given differential equation. Now easily you can separate the variables. After separating the variables, integrate them, and on the final put the value of t with ax plus by plus c, and that is your required general solution.